Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your new copper water bottle. First, rinse it thoroughly with warm water, ensuring all manufacturing residue is removed. Then, add a few drops of mild dish soap and fill it halfway with warm water. Shake gently, then empty and rinse several times until no soap remains. Remember to avoid harsh scrubbers inside to protect the copper. To give your bottle a deeper clean, create a natural solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour this mixture into the bottle and swirl it around, letting it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The acidity of the lemon and the abrasiveness of the salt work together to remove any tarnish or buildup. Rinse it out completely with warm water afterward. Keeping the exterior shiny is simple. After washing, gently wipe the outside with a soft, clean cloth to prevent water spots. For an extra gleam, you can use a small amount of a copper-specific polish, applying it with a soft cloth and buffing gently. Always ensure your bottle is completely dry, both inside and out, before storing it to maintain its luster. For daily maintenance, a quick wash with warm water and a mild soap is usually sufficient. Aim for a thorough deep clean using the lemon and salt method at least once a week, or every 2 weeks, depending on your usage. This routine will keep your bottle hygienic and looking great. And hey, while you're thinking about quality, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.